Welcome to the TEK2day podcast powered by CEO Radar. Check us out online at TEK2day.com for the latest in technology and capital markets related news. Check out Amazon's Kindle store for our first Kindle book, the title of which is Stagflation is Imminent. Today I wanted to talk about a brief article we posted at TEK2day around equity valuations, specifically technology valuations. I believe the tech sector has 40% downside or more. Many of these high flyers have 60% downside or more. And a lot of it has to do not with interest rates, but with higher tax rates. Because higher corporate taxes are coming. So the current corporate tax rate, if you'll recall, is 21%. Biden proposes to take it to 28%, which is a 33% increase. And in the article, I talked about the Fintech and Information Services sectors as sort of a group, a single sector. And depending exactly on how you define it, that group is trading at about 30 times operating cash flow. So, all else held equal, that cash flow margin is going to be a little bit lower post the new tax rate, right? Because the net income input is going to be a smaller number, all else held equal, given the higher tax rate. So whatever multiple investors choose to apply to operating cash flow or free cash flow or cash earnings, whatever elements they use to arrive at their valuation, those cash inputs are going to be smaller. So that's going to apply downward pressure to valuations. That's one. And then you have to consider investor behavior. If they believe that cash flow streams are going to be lower given higher tax rates, they're very likely to apply a lower multiple to those cash flow streams. So maybe that 30x number comes into 28, 27, 25, 20. Who knows? I mean, there's a lot of psychology involved. But I feel as though at present, none of that is baked into technology valuations. And it feels that way about equity valuations in general, but particularly in the technology sector. So I think there's significant downside risk just in corporate tax rates, never mind the risk of interest rates going higher sometime here in the next several years. That's all for now. Enjoy your weekend. Catch you next time.